In a quiet workshop, a vintage radio hums as a novice follows an AI-guided mini-training that makes steps clear. The AI breaks down soldering, schematics, and component testing into tiny repeatable cues, then nudges the learner to try the next step. A simulated failure surfaces, and the AI analyzes the mistake in real time, offering corrective prompts without shouting or overload. As progress grows, confidence expands and the learner records a brief recap, reinforcing skills through gentle repetition. By dawn, the radio crackles to life, proving that AI-supported practice can turn a daunting repair into mastery.